Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul. Charlie, how are you today?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm feeling really happy today.
That's wonderful.
Hey friends, before we start today's video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, share it with everyone. And leave a comment too. We love reading your comments.
We really do. Okay, Charlie, today we have a very interesting and trending topic. Stop saying I'm fine. Say this instead. You know, Charlie, when someone asks, "How are you?" most people just say, "I'm fine."
That's true. It's the most common answer in the world.
Yes, but sometimes "I'm fine" doesn't really mean we are fine. It can sound a little cold or boring.
Exactly. Maybe we feel tired or stressed, but we say, I'm fine, just to end the conversation.
Haha, that's so true. I used to say, "I'm fine" every single time, even when I wasn't fine at all.
Same here. But learning better phrases helps us sound more natural and more honest in English. So, friends, let's learn some new ways to answer the question, how are you?
If you're feeling good, you can say, "I'm great," "I'm doing really well," or "I'm feeling amazing today."
Yes, these sound cheerful and full of energy.
And if you're just okay, you can say, "I'm doing all right," "I'm okay, just a little busy," or "Not too bad, thanks for asking."
That's nice and natural.
And if you're having a hard day, it's okay to be honest. You can say, "I've had better days," or "I'm a bit tired, but I'll be okay."
Those sound friendly and real. You're not complaining. You're just being honest.
Yes, and when you're honest, people feel closer to you. It builds trust.
Exactly. English isn't only about words, it's about feelings and connection.
That's why saying more than "I'm fine" makes your English and your personality more alive.
Friends, remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be real.
That's true. When you speak from your heart, your English sounds beautiful.
And your words can inspire others too. So next time someone asks, how are you? Say it with heart, not habit.
Yes, be open, be kind, and express your true feelings.
Because language is not just speaking, it's connecting.
Okay, Charlie, should we finish this video? Yes, but first, let's remind our listeners.
Good idea, dear listeners. Please subscribe to Mr. English Learning.
Yes, click the subscribe button
And click the like button too, it's helped us a lot.
and share this video with your friends and family members. Everyone can learn English.
That's right. And don't forget to leave a comment.
Yes, tell us what you did say before watching this video.